Phillips Manufacturing, bringing you products that are engineered to perform since 1955. Metal lath is a versatile building product with many uses in both residential and commercial construction, ranging from exterior stucco and masonry to stonework, ceramic tile work, ceilings, and soffits. Phillips Manufacturing has a strong heritage of many kinds of metal manufacturing excellence, with products used in the construction industry, providing quality, value, and service since 1955. Lath manufacturing starts with a metal strip that is stretched and pierced to create various shaped openings. This process creates a product that has the strength and durability of steel while remaining highly pliable, allowing it to be easily bent into many shapes and around corners to fulfill numerous construction needs. It is lightweight and economical, with natural built-in slip resistance, providing a long-lasting foundation. Most think of the standard diamond mesh lath and don't realize that specialized laths are available for a variety of functions. Self-furring lath is based on diamond mesh lath, but features V-grooves or dimples, which create the 1/4 inch spacing between the wall and lath, sometimes required by building codes. This self-furring feature allows for the proper stucco keying behind the lath. Phillips high rib lath is the strongest of the lath products, featuring a herringbone pattern, and is stiffened with 7 solid longitudinal V-ribs, making it ideal for horizontal applications like ceilings and floors. For exterior use, a popular product is Phillips paper-backed lath, which uses an asphalt-saturated craft paper attached to the lath. This design is engineered to create a vapor barrier between the lath and the wall cavity, in addition to providing optimum keying, enabling the lath to become an embedded component of the stucco membrane. To meet the needs of all our customers' projects, Phillips offers all of these different laths, diamond mesh, dimpled self-furring, and V-groove self-furring to satisfy multiple industry standards. Additionally, as the accessory specialist, Phillips has a strong complementary line of stucco accessories made to the same high-quality standard to help you finish your stucco jobs properly. Expanded metal corner beads are used with lath to make straight corners with metallic protection in stucco or plaster applications. Expanded flange and short flange casings are used with lath to protect and finish plaster or stucco edges around doors, windows, or other openings. Expansion control joints are used to separate areas of walls or ceilings, relieving minor expansion or contraction stresses caused by shrinkage or temperature changes. Weep screeds are used with lath to protect and finish the bottom edge of a stucco wall surface and provide a path for moisture to escape from behind the stucco layer. Phillips Manufacturing, drywall, roofing, and lath products made in the USA. We're your one-stop shop nationwide. Visit phillipsmfg.com or call 1-800-822-5055. Phillips Manufacturing, engineered to perform.